Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox the KitchenAid stand mixer here. Let's go ahead and pull it off the box. It's pretty tight. Put it out here. Just trying real tight up in there. If I can pull it out. All right. Okay, guys. This is what it looks like. Coming directly out of the box. All right. Looks just like this. It's a stand mixer. This is Spanish on this side. Let's go ahead and turn it around so I do not read Spanish. KitchenAid mixer. It is in the color. This is the ice color here. I like this because a lot of my stuff here that I have is this color. Is called Aqua. Aqua Sky. Also, it's called ice. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out now. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the top here. It is hard. I've seen a lot of people trying to get this out of the box before. It has been very hard for one person just to pull it out, and I don't want it to go upside down. So let's see here. Just taking my little cutter knife here. Excuse my hair, you all. It's been a long week. Let's see. All right. So this is what comes inside of the box. Not sure if it's recipes or how to, let's see here. Oh yeah. It shows different products that they have, how to do it here. Okay, the next thing that we have in the box is, let's see here. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna have my son help me get this out the box. This thing's really heavy. Okay. So let's go ahead and pull it out. Okay, we're gonna try to pull it out here. So one moment. Okay. Ooh, there we go. So that's what it looks like coming directly out of the box. Thank you to my lovely assistant here. This is what it looks like coming out of the box. This is what's in it too. I'm not really sure what that is. Just showing you everything. And let's see. So here's the stand mixer. Coming out of the box, it came with this right here. Here. And then it also has, let's see here. It has a hook in it. I guess this is the sausage or meat hook that I hear about right here. Right now I'm just trying to get it out completely of the box. One moment. Gonna pause. Okay, so just take this off right here. Oh, y'all, it's been a long week. We have not been feeling too well. And I'm like, hey, let's make some chicken soup or something like that. So here's the mixer. It is a very pretty color. Inside here, it comes already with the mixer. Inside here, taking out the, there has to be something it says to remove the lever. So one moment. Let's see how to remove this. So this shows how to remove and how to tilt. This is up, that's down, this is up. There we go, just like that. And then how we pull this off. Go ahead, just take this out just like this. There we go. You guys see how that was done. This was the attachment that was already on it. This is how the bowl is. It's pretty deep. 5 quarts. Yes. Awesome. Now I did get these other attachments with it. Let's see here. Here is a shield that comes with it here, right here. It's a shield so things don't splatter everywhere. I'm going to put that back and put this back in the box. Because right now I'm just doing a review on what it looks like coming directly out of the box, what you should have in the box. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back here just like this and show you the other products that I did purchase as well with this mixer. I also got this KitchenAid. This is the spiraler. It does peel, it spirals, it slices, it does all of that. You can do this for apples, you can use this for pears, you can use this for potatoes, all kind of different things. So it's the slicer. And I'll come back and make a video on that when I'm feeling better. Then I also got this right here, which is the fresh cheese slicer and shredder. This I think I'm gonna love. I'm probably gonna use this the most because it does slice and it does dice. It also shreds, as you can see, even with like veggies and things like that. Okay, so next I got is the KitchenAid sifter and scale. Here they are. KitchenAid shifter and yes. This is when you want to make like cakes and cookies and things like that. And you got to weigh your products, and you have to you want to weigh your products, and you want to make sure you have the right amount of sugar or flour. Then it sifts it so it's more fluffy. So that's what this is for. This is what it looks like. Okay. And then next I got the meat grinder and sausage maker. Here we go. KitchenAid. So what this actually does is a meat metal food grinder. You can take any kind of food. You could take your chicken. You could take steak. You could take sausages, meat. You can make your own sausages, as you can see right here. Let's see. You can see up close here. You can make your own sausages. Yep. I can grind my own. I like grinded chicken, and since Costco has been out of grinded chicken, I use that. I don't use a lot of beef. So I can just take my chicken and let it unthaw, clean it, you know, and then put it in here in cubes, and I'll have grinded chicken. Make it like ground beef, but it's chicken. And last but not least, the last thing I have here would be my processor. My food processor, guys. I'm so excited about this because with this, as you can see, I can slice, I can dice, I can cube, I can make it fine, I can make it thick, and this is more for like, you can use veggies. On here it shows veggies, all different kind of things that you can take and you can slice and you can dice when you need to. Yeah, or even juice. So that's what this is for. I'm so excited to use this. I'll be using this tonight. This one and the cheese shredder. This is the attachments that come in it. You see this? The attachments. I'm excited. I'm excited. But yeah, this is what it does here. And here on the side, so you can see. Yes. So I'm going to come back and let you guys know what it looks like when I grind and when I peel and when I shred. I'm so excited. Thank you guys for watching my channel. This is just an unboxing of what it is that a KitchenAid looks like. It's a 5-quart. Again, it's a 5-quart. It does come with some attachments already, but this is what it looks like. And I got the blue, the ice, the Aqua, think it's really nice. Instead of the red that everybody commonly gets. A lot of stuff in my kitchen is blue, or this color right here, like all my utensils, as you can see. See, they're all this color. So blue is my favorite color. So it comes in, I think, about 75 different colors. You can get in the color that you want. I got in this color. Okay, well, have a nice day. We'll come back after I make up some food, and I'll probably just do a review showing what it looks like as I make the food and use the actual attachments.